corner, crafted with care and pride, where elegance and function collide. From countertops that gleam so bright, to cabinets standing strong in the light. A masterpiece that's all your own. With AmpQuartz, you're never alone. We shape the space where memories flow. With every kitchen, our passion grows. Design it, build and make it shine. AmpQuartz, where your dreams align. No need for designers, it's all in your hands. With custom choices that meet your demands. From sleek to timeless, the look you desire. AmpQuartz sets your kitchen on fire. Precision, beauty, every line. Quality crafted, truly divine. Free 3D plans to guide your way to your perfect kitchen, night and day. We shape the space where memories flow. With every kitchen, our passion grows. Design and build and make it shine. AmpQuartz, where your dreams align. No need for designers, it's all in your hands. With custom choices that meet your demands. From sleek to timeless, the look you desire. AmpQuartz sets your kitchen on fire. Precision, beauty, every line. Quality crafted, truly divine. From 3D plans to guide your way to your perfect kitchen, night and day. We shape the space where memories flow. With every kitchen, our passion grows. Design it, build and make it shine. AmpQuartz, where your dreams align. With every touch, with every feel, the heart of your home becomes real. From the smallest details to the grandest scene, AmpQuartz makes your kitchen beam. Your story starts with the perfect space. AmpQuartz, the home of grace. Together we build what lasts forever. A kitchen that's both bold and clever.
This song brings out the excitement of personalized kitchen designs while highlighting AmpQuartz's unique services and the emotion behind creating a kitchen that feels like home.
We shape the space where memories flow. Every kitchen, our passion grows. Design it, build and make it shine. AmpQuartz, where your dreams align. Where your dreams align. Where every feel, every space, the home of your home becomes real. The heart of your home becomes real. From the perfect salon. In the heart of your kitchen, where life begins, AmpQuartz designs your dream from deep within. Every corner crafted with care and pride, where elegance and function collide. From countertops that gleam so bright, to cabinets standing strong in the light. A masterpiece that's all your own. With AmpQuartz, you're never alone. We shape the space where memories flow. With every kitchen, our passion grows. Design it, build and make it shine. AmpQuartz, where your dreams align. No need for designers, it's all in your hands. With custom choices that meet your will last forever. A kitchen that's both bold and clever.
This song brings out the excitement of personalized kitchen designs while highlighting AmpQuartz's unique services and the emotion behind creating a kitchen that feels like home.
Designs are trained from deep within. Every corner crafted with care and pride, where elegance and function collide. From countertops that gleam so bright, to cabinets standing strong in the light. A masterpiece that's all your own. With AmpQuartz, you're never alone. We shape the space where memories flow. Our passion grows. Design it, build and make it shine.
For AmpQuartz, we also have amazing carpentry. For example, we have over 1,000 plus of designs and material for you to customize your own ideal kitchen cabinet. And we also have very professional, dedicated cabinet consultant. So, when you come to us, consult with our dedicated cabinet consultant, you will be provided up to 3 times of free 3D drawings, and this is for you to ensure that our design and material suit your every need and desires. And after your installation is completed, you will get about 2 hours of free cleaning service. So, if you say, hey, kitchen cabinet very expensive, but no worries, we provide you up to 24 months of installment with 0% of interest to ensure that you won't have any cash flow problem, but also you can bring home your ideal kitchen cabinet.
Finally, remember to visit us at Taman Gaya to lock down the price now with us, as the price of renovation costs are keep increasing due to the supply chain and the economy of Malaysia. Act now.